Sorry again, disturbing. Network related issue. Okay, for purchasing such type of franchise, you have to research that local market, whether other competitors are there present in that particular area, what type of that particular product they are selling, and your product, you have to compare that particular price, the related price, some brand name, some related to the price, and some quality. म्हणजे तुम्हाला तुमच्या एरिया मधला तुमचा रिसर्च असला पाहिजे, ज्या टाइपची ज्या प्रोडक्टची तुम्ही फ्रँचायझी परचेस करताय. सपोज you are purchasing that Vidal oil related franchise. Vidal oil franchise. In that time, you have to research that other competitors of that particular oil, whether that these are present in your localized area. If they are not available in that particular localized area, then you have to go through that particular purchase, that particular franchise. Same that customer or that one of other competitor, he has having that particular Vidal related oil related franchise, then you don't go through that particular franchise, because that particular product is already available in that nearby your area. So for purchasing that particular franchise, research of your localized market is very, very necessary. Suppose you are purchasing that, suppose you are taking that particular CCD franchise to purchase kar, and you are establishing that CCD in a rural area, then it is not benefit. You will not get benefits of that particular CCD from that CCD, because a customer point of view जो आहे तुमचा, तो कस्टमर अर्बन एरिया मधला असला पाहिजे, तर तुमचे CCD रिलेटेड फ्रँचायझी परचेस करणं. जर if you are establishing that particular CCD in rural area, then no one can enter that particular, म्हणजे CCD ची प्राइस बघूनच त्या CCD मध्ये कोण येणार नाही, customer. So market research is very, very necessary before purchasing the franchise. Then consider your options. I mean that while purchasing the franchise, if your shop is or enterprise is a very big enterprise and number of brand names companies, that particular products is already available in your store, then you have to choose the option whether that particular brand or that particular product is used त्या तुमच्या शॉप मध्ये यूज करायचं का नाहीये, सेलिंग साठी ठेवायचं का नाही. It it has choice only, your choice. So for purchasing franchise, you have to also focus on existing product of your business or that enterprise, and then you have to you have some option whether that particular product whether that particular suppose that Vidal oil is there, and the price or that some rules and regulation of that sort of policies of that particular Vidal companies, these are some different. Then you have choice to purchase whether that particular franchisee or not, because whatever the other product from other industry which are already available in your store, so this is your choice whether that brand names industries that product for use for that particular selling purpose, whether purchasing that particular franchise of that product, yes or no. This is your choice only. Then get a copy of their UFOC, Uniform Franchise Offering Circular. They are the policy of that particular industry or that enterprise. Sorry for disturbance. And then talk to existing franchises. Suppose you are taking one of brand name products franchise as a Bisleri. Bisleri, it is one of localized product. बरोबर काय, याचा सेल कसा आहे तर मॅक्सिमम, त्याची फ्रँचाइज तुम्हाला काय करायचे, परचेस करायचे. देन what are the existing franchisors are there in your area, nearby area, before within 15 kilometers or 20 kilometers कोणाच्या तरी फ्रँचायझी असणार आहे. whatever the policy of that particular product from that area or the nearby area, but ज्या एरियामध्ये ज्या तुमच्या एरियाच्या जवळपासच्या एरियामध्ये जे एक्झिस्टिंग कस्टमर आहेत ब्रँड नेमच्या इंडस्ट्रीचे, ज्याची तुम्ही फ्रँचायझी परचेस करणार आहे, यू नीड टू टॉक दॅट पर्टिक्युलर एक्झिस्टिंग फ्रँचायझर्स. म्हणजे काय, ऑलरेडी ज्यांच्याकडे फ्रँचायझी आहे त्यांच्याकडून तुम्ही थोडंसं डिस्कशन नेसेसरी, बिकॉज whatever the policies, whatever the follow up taking by that particular industry or that enterprise, or what are the policies, if they are breaking that policy or not breaking that particular policy, this is very, very necessary. Hello. ठीक आहे, 77 76 07 09 13. या आहे 4:30च्या पुढे येतो. लेक्चर चालू. Sorry for disturbing. So for existing franchises, you need discuss related to some policy breaking rules, or that what kind of facilities they are providing continuously to you, as well as whether they are taking the follow-up regularly or not. It is very, very necessary. Then ask some through questions for while purchasing, or that purchase, or that जे आपले लोकलाइज एरिया मधले आपले जे फ्रेंड सर्कल आहे, माझे कस्टमर जे सर्कल आहे, त्यांच्याकडून डिफरंट टाइप्स ऑफ द क्वेश्चन्स, क्वेश्चनरी जे असते की वेदर दॅट व्हाईल परचेस तुम्ही प्रोडक्टची फ्रँचायझी परचेस केली आहे, तर त्याचे जे प्रोडक्टचे रिलेटेड सम इश्यूज रिलेटेड दॅट कस्टमर केअर पॉइंट्स, कस्टमर देन who is responsible for that any loss of that particular product, or any type of questions, what is the exact guarantee, warranty related. Through this questioning you can check whether that they are providing proper service or not. Then you have to purchase the franchise. And last one is make your choice. तुमची चॉइस आहे परचेस करायची का नाही, डिपेंड्स ऑन ओनली ऑन that particular new entrepreneur. Then types of the franchise. There are 3 types of the franchisee. There are, first one is a product distribution franchisee, second one is a business format franchisee, third one is a management franchisee. We will see one by one. This is a product distribution franchise. Product distribution means directly product they are distributed. Let's see the one of famous examples, that Coca-Cola is one of the product of that Coca-Cola company. They are directly distributed. Whatever this is the product of that Coca-Cola company. Then Seat tires, Apollo, JK, then again Bridgestone. These are the different industries who are making that tires. And the Seat tires, they are selling the tires, automobile related industries there, and that industry is selling directly product. Seat टायरचं काय आहे, प्रोडक्ट आहे. कोका-कोलाचं काय आहे, प्रोडक्ट आहे. टोयोटा इट इज अ 4-व्हीलर इन, बरोबर. टोयोटाचे ज्या व्हेकल्स आहेत हे डायरेक्टली काय आहे तर प्रोडक्ट आहे, दे आर सेलिंग. देन बीएमडब्ल्यू ब्रँड नेम, जी कार आहे काय, वन टाइप ऑफ प्रोडक्ट दे कंटिन्युअसली सेल. ते पर्टिक्युलर आपण काय करतो तर सेल करतो. प्रोडक्ट सेल करताना त्या पर्टिक्युलर इंडस्ट्री कडून जी परचेस केलेली फ्रँचायझी आहे त्याला काय म्हटलं जातं तर प्रोडक्ट डिस्ट्रीब्युशन फ्रँचायझी. डेफिनेशन, a product distribution franchisee model is very much like a supplier dealer relationship. A supplier is a Coca-Cola company and dealer is one of existing showroom of Toyota. One of famous example of that Toyota. Toyota is a dealer, owner of that industry. Before 5 or 6 years ago, that DS Kulkarni is one type of that dealer of that Toyota industry. Toyota जो dealer कोण होते तर DS Kulkarni is a dealer. Supplier, who is supplier? Is a Toyota owner. This is the owner. Through this product distribution franchise, you can maintain the supplier dealer relationship. And while purchasing that particular product, typically, again, sorry for. For typically the franchises merely sells the franchisor's product only. While if you are purchased that BMW's franchise, Toyota's franchise, or C8 industry, C8 tires franchise, Coca-Cola, then you are not to allow to sell other products from that particular particular franchise. Yeah, Toyotaचा जो प्रोडक्टची तुम्ही जर फ्रँचाइज घेतली तर you have not allowed to sell other companies or other industries product, other cars. C8 टायरची तुम्ही जर फ्रँचाइज घेतली तर you have not allowed to sell other companies tires. So फ्रँचायझरने जे प्रोडक्ट सेल करण्यासाठी दिलेले फ्रँचायझरला, तर तेच प्रोडक्ट तुम्हाला काय करायचे तर सेल करायचे. दिस इज द टाइप ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट डिस्ट्रीब्युशन फ्रँचाइज. देन बिझनेस फॉर्मॅट फ्रँचाइज. In business format franchise, the integration of the business is more complete. Then the franchise is not only distributes the franchisor's product and services under the franchisor's trademark, but also implements the franchisor's format and procedure for the conducting the business. It means that your already existing business is there. Suppose your grocery related big mall is there, and you are selling different types of the products from that mall, and you have purchased Parle-G's products franchise. Then you have allowed to sell that particular Parle-G products as well as other product of that particular franchisors. Franchisor's trademark जो आहे, under that particular trademark, he can sell any other products. But जे franchise जे दिलेली आहे तुम्हाला Parle, you can sell that particular product also. This is the type of another business format franchise. So some franchises, some examples. Vitthal Kamath restaurant is an already इथं कोणीतरी फ्रँचाइज घेतलेली आहे विठ्ठल कामत. Then last one is a management franchise. That it is a form of service agreement. Service agreement. The franchise provides the management expertise, format, procedure, conducting the business. जे सर्व्हिस बेस्ड ज्या इंडस्ट्रीज आहेत किंवा एखादं एक्झाम्पल घेतलं फॉर दॅट महाई सेवा केंद्र, वन टाइप ऑफ example of this management franchise. UPS stores, famous example. Then American Idol, one of again famous example of this management franchise. Then outsourcing. Outsourcing in business, outsourcing involves the contracting non-core functions from the outside to another party. For example, manufacturing facility management, call centers, etc. The concept of outsourcing comes from an American glossary. Outside resourcing around 1981. Outsourcing means that sometimes it involves the transferring employees and assets from one firm to another. One of famous example that if that employees or that production related or other facility if available is not available in your existing enterprise, then you have to prepare that particular product from other industry. You can use other resource from existing unit, and you have to complete that particular activity. It means that outsourcing. For famous example, you take the Tata Motors as well as the Top Gear industry is already existing in industry is there, and they are outsourcing that particular some products from our side. For our college, there is CNC and VNC is there, and that particular Tata, that Top Gear it's providing us that particular some raw material, and we are doing that particular some finishing or that process on that particular product, and then we send back to that particular industry. It means that they are used our facility, which is not established or that which is not available in that particular his own industry. So he can do that particular outsourcing of that existing units. Existing unit मध्ये तुमच्याकडे काय प्रोडक्ट अवेलेबल नसतील. Suppose you are one of big owner of mall or that in rural area मध्ये एक मोठं दुकान असतं, शॉप असतं. सगळं प्रोडक्ट तुम्ही तिथून काय करता तर परचेस करता. वन ऑफ फेमस एखादा कुठला तरी छोटासा आयटम तुमच्याकडे तिथं जर नसला तर ते ओनर काय करतील त्या शॉपचे, दे आर तुम्हाला तिकडे पाठवणार नाही पर्टिक्युलर, दे आर आउटसोर्स. म्हणजे ते काय करतील तर त्या दुकानात जाऊन त्यांचे ऑलरेडी कस्टमर म्हणजे एम्प्लॉई त्यांना पाठवतील, अदर एक्झिस्टिंग फर्म मधून ते पर्टिक्युलर प्रोडक्ट घेतील आणि ते तुम्हाला काय करतील प्रोव्हाइड करतील. म्हणजे अदर रिसोर्स यूज करायचं म्हणजे काय तर आउटसोर्सिंग. कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट बेसवर असेल, फॉर एक्झाम्पल existing that road construction, national highway चा जे कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट घेतलेला आहे, वन ऑफ फेमस बिल्डर दॅट इज DBL, दिलीप बिल्डकॉन सर्व्हिसेस, दिलीप बिल्डकॉन लिमिटेड, बरोबर आहे. अंडर दॅट DBL different other companies or other industries are there, and they are completing that particular task of that DBL industry. So for completion of that particular target or that work is done by other agency, it is known as a outsourcing. So this is the famous example or that examples of the outsourcing. So today we have seen the right way, whether that to product right way of purchasing of franchisee or not, decision making, is very very important. तुम्हाला मार्केट रिलेटेड रिसर्च झालेला आहे, तुमचे ऑप्शन्स जे मार्केट म्हणजे आहेत ऑलरेडी एक्झिस्टिंग एंटरप्राइज मध्ये, अदर कॉम्पिटिटर प्रोडक्ट्स, अदर काय असेल ते, हा सगळ्यांचा स्टडी करून तुम्हाला काय करायचं असतं तर फ्रँचायझी परचेस करायची. म्हणजे परचेस करताना डिफरंट काय तर पॉइंट्स आहेत, ते पॉइंट्स तुम्हाला स्टडी करणं नेसेसरी. दॅट इव्हॅल्युएट युअरसेल्फ, देन रिसर्च युअर मार्केट काय, कन्सिडर युअर ऑप्शन्स, तुमचे ऑप्शन्स काय असतील. देन युनिफॉर्म फ्रँचायझी ऑफरिंग सर्क्युलर, म्हणजे सगळ्यांना ते सेम टाईपचं फ्रँचायझी ऑफर करतात का, किंवा एखाद्याला डिपॉझिट कमी घेतात आणि तुम्हाला डिपॉझिट जास्त घेतात, असं काय ते सर्व्हिस प्रोव्हाइड करतात का. So that uniformity is very very necessary. Then we need to talk existing customers of that franchisee, then only you have to purchase that. कशासाठी तर ऑलरेडी त्यांचं प्रॉफिट फाइंड आउट करण्यासाठी किंवा त्यांची सर्व्हिस फाइंड आउट करण्यासाठी यू नीड टू टॉक एक्झिस्टिंग फ्रँचायझर्स and ask some through questions, some questioning you have to ask, then make your choice. It means this is your choice to purchase or not that particular franchise. Okay, so this is the second chapter. Today that particular second section it's over. Today I will send one test link, and immediately you have to solve that MCQ test. Tomorrow we will start our third chapter.